Hi, welcome to Intube. In this video, I will share the steps which I have followed to complete this painting. Size of the canvas is 14 inch by 11 inch, which is pre-coated with titanium white. First, I used the pencil to make a rough sketch of the image. I used oil paints for this painting. To get the workability, I used the turpentine oil and I used 5 colors: sap green, lemon yellow, ivory black, burnt sienna and titanium white. I choose the size of the brush proportional to the area. If the area is bigger, I use the bigger flat brush, and for the main object work, for the line work, I use the round brushes, and for the minor detail work I use the smaller round brush. Size of the brushes which I generally use: flat brush number 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 and round brush 8, 6, 4, 3, 0, 00, 000. For the main object as a background, I used burnt sienna mixed with white. One of the main advantage of using the oil paint is it will take at least 3 months to completely dry. It depends upon your number of layerings. So whenever if you want to change, do any corrections, you can do it at any time. Object background color which I used is not too light or too dark, it's a mid-range color. So whenever there is some portion, if I want to highlight as a dark portion, I will use the only burnt sienna, and if I want to highlight some light shades, so I use the titanium white. Further, if I want to show some portion dark, I use the ivory black. Sap green plus titanium white and also lemon yellow for the bottom portion of the background. Persian blue and titanium white as a upper background. For background painting around the main object, I use the round brush. To get some gradient effect in the background, in the upper corner I used the Persian blue. I hope you like this painting. If you like this painting, try to share and subscribe. Thank you.